Hello guys, welcome to YouTube. Today let's see how to open a port in Linux and how to enable the SSH connection. So for that, let's open the super user and let's check the VMWare status. So it's active. Let's enable it. Okay, now we have enabled the firewall. Let's allow the port SSH. Okay, now if you're checking the status, you can see 22 port is open. So just in case if you want to add another port, just use this code in allow 80. So when you're checking the status, you can see 80 and 22 is open. So now let's see how the SSH can be installed. For that, we try the SSH connectivity. So see, you get an error, it's refused. So for that, we need to install the OpenSSH server. So for the code is apt-get install OpenSSH server. So now we are installing the SSH server. Installation completed, and let's check the status of SSH service. See, it's active. So now let's try the connectivity of SSH. So for that, we use this command. My IP address 10.91. Asking for the password. Yeah, it's connected. IP. See, it's connected. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.